Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa powder at home. Making your own Moringa powder is a fantastic way to harness the plant's incredible nutritional benefits. We'll walk through each step, from selecting the best leaves to proper storage, ensuring you create a high-quality, vibrant green powder. This simple process allows you to enjoy this superfood year-round, adding a powerful boost to your daily diet with ease. First, let's talk about harvesting and cleaning your Moringa leaves. For the best quality powder, select young, healthy, and vibrant green leaves, ideally in the morning when they are most hydrated. Carefully strip the leaves from their stems, setting aside any discolored or damaged ones. Next, wash the leaves thoroughly under clean, cool running water to remove any dust or debris. Some even suggest a brief 3 to 5 minute dip in a 1% salt solution for extra cleanliness. Drying is a critical step to preserve nutrients and achieve that beautiful green color. The best method is air drying. Spread your washed leaves in a single layer on a clean screen or rack in a well-ventilated, shaded room. Direct sunlight can degrade nutrients and cause discoloration. Alternatively, a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 12 hours is very effective. The leaves must be completely crisp and brittle, crumbling easily, before moving to the next stage. Once your Moringa leaves are perfectly dry and brittle, it's time to grind them into a fine powder. Use a high-speed blender, food processor, or spice grinder, working in small batches for the best results. For an extra smooth powder, sift it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger particles. Finally, proper storage is key to maintaining potency. Transfer your fresh powder to an airtight container, preferably a dark glass jar, and store it in a cool, dry, and dark place away from direct sunlight and humidity. This ensures it stays fresh for many months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.